Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the love story theme on piano. We will begin by setting up your hands correctly on the keyboard, which is crucial for comfortable playing. Next, we will explore the beautiful main melody, focusing on just a few key notes for your right hand. Finally, we will introduce the basic, easy-to-learn chord shapes for your left hand, making this iconic tune accessible to everyone. Let's get started on your musical journey. For your right hand, we will focus on the iconic melody. Begin by finding middle C and then locate the G above it, which is often a good starting point for the main theme. Practice playing the first few phrases, perhaps 4 to 6 notes at a time, very slowly. Concentrate on making each note clear and ensuring a smooth, connected sound as you move from one note to the next. Repetition is key to building muscle memory and accuracy. Now, let's bring in your left hand for the accompaniment. The love story theme primarily uses just 3 or 4 simple chords, such as C major, G major, and a minor. Practice forming each of these chord shapes with your left hand until they feel natural. You can play them as block chords or as broken chords, where you play the notes one after another. This provides a gentle, flowing background for your right hand's melody. To put it all together, start by playing both hands simultaneously at a very slow tempo. Focus on small sections, perhaps 2 to 4 measures at a time, until they feel comfortable. Gradually increase your speed as your confidence grows. Remember to listen to how your right hand melody blends with your left hand chords, aiming for a balanced sound. With consistent practice, you will soon be playing the beautiful love story theme with ease and expression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.